Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new in my channel, please stay tuned, thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and also share my video with your friends and families. Today I am going to be sharing a very interesting news about this music star called David Adeleke. We all know him as the popular Davido, who decided to just go to Nysc camp to serve his father's nation. This was an interesting one because we know that we have so many stars out there who would not even wish or think of such kind of thing because of they have a lot of money with them. But this particular music star, he just decided to take it as a kind of priority. He said he wants to serve his father's nation, and he decided to go to the Nysc camp. And behold, when getting there, when other core members saw him, they were just trying to rush around him, trying to go and hug him. And now, him that went to the Nysc camp, his security had to go with him, and they were just trying to like guide him for people not to come and press him down, because the core members were very happy to see the music star, which they've only been seeing in the video or in the TV. They see him in the camp this time, coming to rejoice with them. And now the question is, as this popular music star had gone to the Nysc camp, although he went to Babcock University in Ogun State, and as he has gone to this Nysc camp to serve his father's nation, he did not say he wanted to collect exemption letter anyway. He said he wanted to go and serve his father's nation and see how the Nysc camp or the Nysc that people do go look like. He was happy to be a graduate, and he decided to go down there to see them. I'm going to be showing you that. You can see his arrival to the Nysc camp in Lagos. See where all the core members are trying to like give him a handshake. So many musicians would have said they already have money, so what are they going to do there? How are they going to cope? Sharing toilets, sharing bathroom. But also, I'm still going to be asking that if Davido himself will still be using the same toilet with other core members and the same bathroom, eating from the same plate, because when it's lunch time, breakfast time, and dinner time, everybody has to go and queue there to eat their food, to collect their food in their flasks and take it back to the hostel to eat. So I also want to know if our popular Davido will also want to do that, going to queue. Anyway, his humility caught my fantasy because it's not common for a music star. That one will tell you if he's coming to collect the allowance that is being paid for the coppers, or he's just coming there just to serve his father's nation, so that it will be there on record that he served his father's nation. He's popular, who has money. If you even see the kind of car he took into the camp, I'm still wondering if with all those kind of securities he went there with, if the Nigerian government is still going to record his name and put it in the record of those collecting alawi, which is their stipends. And the stipends is, I think, 19,800. By the time the bank charges their own charge, it will be left with, I think, 19,500 or lesser than that. Although the Nigerian government said they will increase the copper stipends, which we don't know if it has been implemented yet. So now, who is going to pay who? Is it the Nigerian government that is going to be paying Davido, or now the Davido himself is going to be paying the coppers in the camp, or whatsoever? So this is a very interesting one. I really liked that kind of humility in him. It really shows that going for Nysc is not just you going for it, but you have to serve your father's nation, even if you're outside the country, wherever country you came from, or wherever country you are based and you're schooling. but when it's time for you to go and serve your father's nation, you have to go, so that it be on record that you went for NYSC and you served your father's nation. And this music star in the NYSC camp said that he never wanted to miss this opportunity as a young Nigerian. He wanted it to be on record that he went for NYSC and he served his father's nation. And that was why he decided to register for it, because he had passion for it. Now, I could remember that when I served in Abia State in Ibere camp, and I know that it was not easy being in the camp for 3 weeks, because early in the morning you will be waked around 4:30. They will jingle. There is one bell they tap, and when they tap that bell, everybody, you stand up by 4:30, prepare yourself, and before 5:30 you're ready on the campground for parade. Whereby they will tell all of you, squat down, sit down on the floor, stand up, do frog jump, whatsoever. In fact, the thing was a kind of stressful but fun. And there were also lots of sports played. You can play volleyball, football, dancing. It was fun anyway. It was fun going for NYSC camp. So like me myself, I played volleyball very, very well. And that year we went for competition. They normally go for competitions yearly, every batch by batch. They go for competition yearly anyway. And we had to travel all the way from Abia State to Lagos for finals in the volleyball girls competition. And during the endurance trek, you have to trek a very long miles. You queue up 3 in the line, and in a very straight line, three front, 3 like that, and a very long straight line. You trek from morning till evening, where you come back to the camp. And by the time you're back to the camp, no matter what, you feel it in your bones. There is no way for escape. They don't allow you go out of the line to buy even water. They don't allow you eat anything. They'll just tell you they want to train you as a soldier. You have to be fit in any circumstances. They will even do all this tug of war, whereby they will do a long rope and people will be dragging the rope. It was really fun. So with all this, we're going to be seeing what he's going to be doing in this camp. Will he be able to stay for 3 weeks as a music star? Will he enjoy the comfort? Because there's a lot of comfort in the camp. The bed you're going to be sleeping on, will he be sleeping on that bed in the hostel? Or will he bring his own bed? In fact, this is a very interesting one. When I just heard that Davido went to the camp, I was like, wow, this is serious. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share my video with your friends and families. Drop your comments, good comments, on the comment section. Don't fail to always tap the bell for notification of new videos. Try to encourage others who are not graduates or who have not gone to school. Try to encourage them to go to school. Education is good, and by the time you go to school and come out, you feel that joy that you are among class of people, even if you don't have now. But just believe that the sky is your limit, because anywhere you find yourself, you could represent yourself. Anywhere you find yourself, something good can come out for you, just because of you've gone to school and you know how to present yourself outside. One love, long live YouTubers. See you guys in my next video. Bye.